What's up, guys? So just gonna give an update on my E36 318IS. If you looked at my previous video, it was ticking. Well, I took the oil pan back off yesterday and realized I made a newbie mistake, so I can go into that, but I'm just gonna start it up, let you guys hear it. So, here now, it actually runs really quiet. Put new motor mounts on as well yesterday, and I'm gonna need a new fan clutch, a few other little things. But that's it, just want to do a small update. I'm actually giving these lips away for free. A guy's on his way to pick them up now. They're for an E30. Alright guys, till next time. See ya.